decision on Stride Mylan deal, but it has been kept in a suspension. Mrinalini Krishna joins us with more details.
10 pharma FDI proposals came up before the FIPB today. 7 got cleared, but 3 have, the decision on 3 has been suspended due to reservations made by the DIPP, sources say. Now, these 3 include the proposal of Mylan, which is almost a 5,000 crore rupee foreign direct investment into India. Remember, this is the Stride Zacrolab Mylan deal, where Strides had agreed to sell 5 Agila units 100% to Mylan. Now, sources indicate the issue and concern here is about foreign control. Sources indicate that these 3 proposals where the foreign equity is over 50%, the decision has been taken but has been suspended till there is more clarity from the DIPP on the FDI pharma policy in brownfield projects. Now, FIPB is very clear. They've examined the proposal on its merit and they've taken a decision, but they do not want to go ahead and implement it simply because there is a clarity that is expected from DIPP on FDI in pharma, and once that policy gets revised, the FIPB does not want to go through the entire procedure of having to re-examine these proposals, which is why it is waiting for the DIPP to come out with a revised policy or some sort of a clarification on FDI in brownfield pharma before communicating and implementing its decision on these 3 projects. So remember, as far as Mylan is concerned, the decision has been taken. It will not be implemented till there is a clarification on FDI pharma policy, and after that it will go to the CCEA because it's a proposal worth almost 5,000 crore rupees.